boy, do we have a treat. Look at this. We're gonna call the elevator. And guess what? It's manual. Oh. And it does not stop. Literally, you have to get it right with the floor. So watch. I have to kind of guesstimate when it's level. Think this is good? Yeah, I heard the door click. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I wasn't close. Anyway. Oh, I see. You're supposed, the yellow markings is where you're supposed to get it. Oh, someone's calling it. It's hard to make out, but that says Elevator Company of America. Yeah, someone's calling it up. I guess we'll just see where it goes. How's it going?
Oh, hi, sorry.
No, you're good. I was just taking photos of the old elevator.
Oh, okay. Come on, go.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You're good.
A
Golden? Is that a golden? I'm going one.
Oh, okay, me too.
Is that a golden doodle?
Oh, he's a labradoodle.
Ah, okay. They look pretty similar.
Yeah, pretty much the same. You're so dramatic. Sorry, he's a
No,
sniffer.
it's all good. I don't mind. I have dogs at home, so he's probably picking up their smell.
Yeah.
I'm staying in for a round trip.
Okay.
Have a good night. All right, and as you can see, it has this old paddle switch. So let's go up. Single speed. It's a bit harsh. This elevator is pretty busy, so I'm only going to take it up a couple floors and back because I don't want to get in the way of people who need to use it. That was much less of a rough stop. All right. Old stop switch. That's sick. Past these 1,500 pounds. All right. Down. And here we are at the first floor. Close enough.